Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening Camera FV5 Lite and allowing camera and storage access so the app can save RAW and JPEG. Tap the exposure controls and choose manual mode. This gives you direct control over shutter, aperture, and ISO. Set ISO low for daylight or higher for low light, and adjust EV in 1/3 stops to fine-tune brightness. Once done, lock focus and exposure if you want consistent frames across a sequence. You now compose and refine the shot. Enable the grid and histogram to check alignment and exposure balance. Tap the focus box to switch to manual focus and drag the focus ring for crisp detail. Use continuous focus for moving subjects. Change metering to spot for backlit face or matrix to average the scene. Once composed, preview exposure via the live histogram and adjust shutter speed for motion control or ISO for grain management. You're ready to capture. Choose DNG RAW if you plan heavy edits or JPG for instant sharing. Set file compression as required. Use a self-timer, remote shutter, or tripod to avoid camera shake at slow shutter speeds. After shooting, review files in the gallery and confirm they saved to the correct folder. If images fail to save or quality drops, check app permissions and free storage first. Clearing cache or switching save location usually fixes the problem.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.